Welcome to our guide on becoming a Medizinische Fachangestellte, or medical assistant in Germany. This is a great opportunity for international students seeking a fulfilling career in the healthcare sector. But is it a good option for foreign doctors as well? We will see that in this video. However, first, let's understand what this role entails. As a medical assistant, you'll be responsible for scheduling patient appointments, documenting treatment processes, handling billing, and organizing the daily operations of a medical practice. You'll also assist in minor medical procedures, prepare injections, take blood samples, and maintain medical instruments. Now let's see. The path to becoming a Medizinische Fachangestellte. This profession requires a dual apprenticeship, combining practical work in healthcare facilities with theoretical education at a vocational school. The training lasts 3 years, equipping you with both hands-on skills and in-depth knowledge. Upon qualification, you can find opportunities in various settings like general physicians' offices, hospitals, medical laboratories, and corporate medical departments. Interestingly, there is no strict educational prerequisite for this training. However, most employers prefer candidates with a secondary school diploma. To thrive in this role, you'll need precision, responsibility, empathy, psychological resilience, and the ability to handle confidential patient data. An added benefit, you earn while you learn. The monthly apprenticeship salary ranges from $920 in the first year to $1,075 in the third year. Now this the reason why many foreign doctors are talking about taking this route to cover their expenses up to they get a job as a doctor, and then quit the MFA training altogether. We at DMI Nets International discourage aspirants from this practice. As it is, if the MFA Training Institute gets an idea about your pre-planned midway quitting, they will not accept you in the first place. If it's only about the finances, you can earn around 550 hours from part-time jobs if you come with proper visa, which allows part-time job. However, if you are a real MFA aspirant, after passing your final exams, you become a state-recognized medical assistant. This opens doors to a stable and rewarding career in Germany's healthcare system. We hope this guide helps you take the first step towards a fulfilling future in healthcare. Thank you for watching. Write your thoughts in comments.